Hello everyone. Today we will see stepping stone method to find optimal solution. So first thing we will take solution of WAM IBFS. We will test the solution is degenerate or not. So in last lecture of degeneracy I taught this solution is non-degenerate, so we can apply directly SSN method. So for SSN method, first, we will see number of unoccupied cells. In solution of WAM, we will search number of unoccupied cells. So how many unoccupied cells are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cells. So we will put 6. Okay. So we will copy this table, this cost table 6 times. This cost table 6 times as number of unoccupied cells are 6. So 6 times I will copy this table. So this is the easiest way to understand SSN. We will copy this table number of occupied cells as number of occupied cells. Okay, so we will construct a loop for all. And why we will construct loop for all? To find incremental cost. Okay, so in this case, this block name is first row, second column. So we will say this for this block incremental cost is incremental cost I, and for first row, second column I12. And for second one we will write this as I, this cell, first row, third column. So this is I13, and for others this location I21, and another for this is this one. So I22, second row, second column. And next incremental cost for this block, third row, first column. And next incremental cost for third row, third column. Okay, so now how will you find this incremental cost? We will use loop methodology. So loop methodology is what? So to construct the loop, first we will put plus symbol on unoccupied cell, first task. Then we will draw lines in horizontal direction or vertical direction towards occupied cells or starting point, not diagonally. हमें diagonally move नहीं करना है. So first cell is this one. We will mark plus here. Now we will move towards occupied. हम इधर भी मूव कर सकते हैं, इधर भी कर सकते हैं, इधर भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन अगर हम इधर मूव करते हैं तो हमें इसका वर्टिकल मूवमेंट नहीं मिल रहा है. वर्टिकल में हमें कोई ऑक्यूपाइड सेल्स नहीं मिल रहा है. So that's why we will not move towards in this direction. Okay, so what we will do? We will move towards this direction, occupied block. And for this occupied block, you can move. Now next, horizontal movement. But for this horizontal movement, there is no vertical movement. So we will avoid this movement. We will avoid this movement also. So we will move towards 20 directly. Now from this horizontal movement towards occupied. Now next movement towards occupied or starting point. So in this column you have a starting point. So now we will put alternative plus minus. This is plus location, this is minus location, this is plus location, and this is minus location. Now to find incremental cost, you will consider this plus 30. Next is this minus 10 corner points. Next is this plus 20. And next is this minus 8. So now this total is 30 plus 20 is 50. 50 minus 18 is plus 32. So this location is plus 32 incremental cost. Now in second block is this. We will put plus and again we will draw loop towards occupied vertical, towards occupied horizontal, and towards starting point. So in this case, we will write this plus, this minus, this plus, this minus. So total incremental cost is plus 50. Second is this minus 10. This is minus 10. Next is plus 60. Next is minus 40. So total is what? Total is plus 60. Now for second, now for next. So next unoccupied block is this. We will put plus symbol here and then we will draw loop towards occupied. तो देखो अगर हम इस पे रुकते हैं तो इसके लिए हमें फिर horizontal move नहीं मिलेगा because no occupied cell. So we will move towards this and then vertical move. अगर इस पे आते हैं तो इसके लिए फिर हमें रास्ता है बट इसके लिए फिर हमें कोई रास्ता नहीं मिलेगा. यहाँ पर हम आते हैं तो इसके लिए हमें रोड वे हमारा क्लियर है. ये हमारा horizontal and then back to starting point. So this point is plus, this point is minus, this point is plus, this point is minus. So again incremental cost is plus 70 minus 60 plus 10 minus 90. Now the summation is what? 70 plus 10 is 80. 80 minus 79. This is plus 1. Next for this block, we will mark plus and then movement towards occupied, towards occupied, towards occupied, and towards starting point. We will put alternative plus minus, so minus plus minus, so this is plus 30, this is minus 8, this is plus 20, this is minus 60. So total incremental cost is how much? 50 minus 68, that is minus 80. Now for next, this block plus symbol, movement towards occupied. So this is occupied block. Now next occupied block is this, next is this, and towards starting point. So again we will put plus minus, so minus, this is plus, this is minus, so this is plus 40 and this is minus 20 plus 10 minus 19. So total is what? 50 minus 20 is 30, 30 minus 19 is plus 11. Next for last one. So loop for this 70 location, mark plus and draw lines towards occupied and then this occupied, then this occupied and then starting. Now we will put plus minus alternative. Now incremental cost is what? Plus 70 minus 20 plus 60 minus 40. So this incremental cost is how much? 70 plus this is 60 and 60 minus 60 is 0 and this is plus 70. So you will see we will have different incremental cost. So in all these incremental costs we have one negative value. This is one negative value. So if we have all positive values, all positive incremental cost, then the solution of WAM is 779. This one. इससे कम हम cost को नहीं कर सकते. So if all incremental costs. Incremental costs are positive, then solution of WAM, then solution of WAM is optimal. Otherwise, we will find solution using stepping stone. So for stepping stone, what we will do? Okay, so we will work only on this one. So in this block, we will do some adjustment for this block only because this is minus 80. Okay, so I am copying blank table once again for this adjustment. So we will do adjustment for respective locations. Loop is already constructed. I am copying this also. Okay, so this block is for minus 18. So we will do some adjustment. So way of adjustment is important. So how will you do these adjustment? Okay, so we will see in this block two negative locations. So negative locations 2. First is this, second is this. In these two locations, bracketed values are what? 8 and 2. So in this loop, negative locations, this, and bracketed values are 8 and 2. So now in these two values, we will consider minimum number. So in these two, minimum number is 2. So we will subtract this minimum number from negative location bracket and add on plus location bracket. Okay, so this is plus location, no bracket is there. This means bracketed value is 0. So simply we will include this as bracket and value is what? 2. Now this is negative location, bracketed value is 8. So this is reduced to 6 by subtracting 2. So this become 2. This minimum number is subtracted. Now this is plus location, so we will add in this location 2. So this become 12. So this is 12, and this is minus location and this value is 2. So this become 2 minus 2 as 0. So this is the final allocation. Now we will find total transportation cost, TTC. So 19 is cost per unit and 5 units are dispatched. So next is 10 into 2. Next is 30 into 2. Next is 40 into 7. And next is 80 into 8 into 6. And next is 20 into 12. So total transportation cost, you will see this as 743. So this cost is less than solution of WAM. Solution of WAM is what? 779. Now your solution from this is what? 743. So this 743 is optimum solution, or we can say minimum solution. This is considered as optimal solution. So I hope you understand this stepping stone method. If you like this video, so please like, subscribe, and share my video. Have a nice day.